What's up guys? So, Huawei's Mate 40 family is finally official, and honestly speaking, it's a really good smartphone. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be incredible. Now, let's start the video. Even though it became the world's best camera smartphone, according to the DxO mark, but at the same time, Huawei's ban is not over, and still facing a lot of issues, and similarly, it's working on their solutions, as well. And now finally, Huawei revealed another alternative of Google's most popular app, which is Google Maps, but it's called Huawei Petal Search. If you don't know about it, the idea behind Petal Search was to help Huawei customers find and install apps that are blocked due to the US ban. While these include Google's own Android apps, and US-developed social media and entertainment apps, such as Amazon, Snapchat, etc. But now, that Petal Search has become a full-service search engine as well. So, it's basically not just another mapping app, but a lot bigger than that. If I talk about its feature, first up, it will give you daily weather forecast, live sports course, video, image, and music search, and financial news, and stock market updates. And when it comes to travel, it will search millions of hotels worldwide, and book rooms, check flights, and travel info for the top global destinations. But I would say that isn't the exciting cool feature of it. But here is the interesting one. When you open up Petal Search and tap in the name of any app you want to install, the search engine looks for the one that you have in mind. If it finds the title in Huawei's app gallery, it will be installed on your Huawei handset, and if Petal Search can't find it in the app gallery, it will search for it on third-party app stores as well. And if it finds the app, a simple tap on the install button will handle the task of downloading it on your phone, which is quite good though. I mean, if you want any app which is blocked, it will still give you the ways to download it, which is really cool and useful. Anyway, Huawei also revealed Huawei Docs, which is the company's first-party office suite solution, which brings a Word and Spreadsheet processor, alongside with a PDF viewer and presentation editor. It supports over 50 formats, including Doc, PPT, and PDF. There is also a real-time cloud sync and multi-user support. With it said, Huawei Docs will be available in over 100 countries through Huawei App Gallery really soon. So I think now, Google should be worried, because Huawei is not stepping ahead in the competition. They are continuously introducing tons of new apps as an alternative of Google's applications. Anyway, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heaven on the way, don't you know I'm